In the culinary world, some dishes stand out not just for their taste, but for their character. Today, we dive into a dish that's as cheesy as a dad joke and as comforting as a warm hug, the stovetop mac and cheese. Let's meet our cast of comedic ingredients. Elbow macaroni, butter, flour, milk, cheddar cheese, salt and pepper. Each one plays a crucial role, delivering a punchline that makes this dish a culinary comedy. Stay tuned as we dive into the hilarious journey of creating this cheesy masterpiece. Now, it's time for the elbow macaroni to take center stage. Picture this: our elbow macaroni, the comic of the hour, prepping backstage for the big performance. The stage is a pot of boiling water where our macaroni will dive in for a hot swim. This is no ordinary swim, mind you, but rather a transformational journey that will see our macaroni emerge as the star comedian. As the water bubbles and churns, the macaroni noodles soften, each one finding its comedic rhythm and perfect chew. Once they've honed their routine in this boiling amphitheater, it's time for them to take a break. Drained and rested, they contemplate their newfound role in the dish, their monologue complete. And what a performance it's been, but the show isn't over yet. With the macaroni monologue complete, it's time for the sauce shuffle to begin. The next act of our culinary comedy involves the butter, flour, and milk. Picture this: our butter, a smooth and velvety character, glides onto the stage of a large saucepan set to medium-low heat. As it melts into its role, the audience, that's you, dear listener, watches in anticipation. Next, our flour saunters in, nonchalant yet purposeful. The butter and flour then engage in a spirited whisk-off, a dance as old as time. This hilarious duo spends 1 to 2 minutes in their comedic routine, blending together until they form a bubbly, golden roux. Their performance is a delightful spectacle, a testament to their versatility and humor. But wait, the show isn't over. The milk makes its grand entrance, smoothly joining the butter and flour on stage. Like a seasoned improv artist, the milk adjusts its performance to match the thickness of the sauce you desire. It simmers for about 5 minutes, sometimes adding a saucy punchline that leaves the audience in splits. This act, dear listeners, is the sauce shuffle. It's a dance of flavors, a symphony of textures, and most importantly, a comedic routine that sets the stage for the rest of our dish. With the sauce shuffle complete, it's time for the cheese comedy duo to take over. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for the next act of our deliciously funny stovetop mac and cheese comedy. Now for the main event, the cheese comedy duo and the grand finale of our dish. In our world of culinary comedy, the spotlight now shines on the cheese, the headliner of our dish. Picture our cheddar walking into the searing spotlight of our saucepan, ready to perform its cheesy routine. With a drumroll of anticipation, we add the cheddar 1 cup at a time, watching it melt into a glorious golden cascade. The saucepan audience erupts in laughter with each addition. The cheddar's sharp wit and cheesy charm have everyone in stitches. But wait, who's this making a surprise appearance? Our salt and pepper, the zesty comic relief of our dish, jump in to add just the right punch to balance the cheesy humor. The salt delivers a perfect one-liner, while the pepper sprinkles in a hint of spice to keep the flavor comedy fresh. With the cast now all in the saucepan, it's time for the grand reunion of our stars. Our elbow macaroni, having contemplated its role, is now ready to take center stage again. It jumps into the sauce, causing an explosion of laughter. The macaroni and the sauce, a perfect comedic team, blend together in a heartwarming, cheesy reunion. As the curtain falls on our culinary comedy act, we remove the pan from the heat, letting the dish sit for 5 minutes to thicken further. The applause from the audience is deafening. The stars take their final bow, their performance a resounding success. And there you have it, folks, a dish that's as funny as it is delicious. Don't forget to check out the full recipe in the video description. And remember, if you enjoyed this cheesy adventure, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hilarious culinary journeys. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be unraveling the comedic secrets of another kitchen classic. Until then, keep laughing and keep cooking.